Did you know, there's a world record for the longest hiccuping spree and it's nothing to sneeze at. Picture this, a man named Charles Osborne started hiccuping in the year 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. That's a mind-boggling 68 years of uninterrupted hiccuping. Imagine, if you will, hiccuping through the roaring 20s, the Great Depression, World War II, the swinging 60s, the disco era of the 70s, the big hair 80s, and into the dawn of the 90s. Charles, a true hiccuping hero, lived a life punctuated by this peculiar rhythm. And though we can't promise you'll break his record, here's to the extraordinary stories that make our world so wonderfully weird. Remember, life is full of surprises, and hiccups are just part of the journey.